In this episode of Brown Page Model Trains, we do some unboxing, we make a mess, and we look at a train car on a turntable.
Hello, model railroaders. Brian Page here. Yes, after an extended absence. This is because my odds of getting a video out in a timely manner these days ranks right up there with the odds of me having 1 million subscribers by the end of the week. Anyway, this is footage of that I've been putting together. There's some unboxing of the stuff I got from Cousin Vinny's Christmas giveaway. Little thing putting together the train car, one of them, and a little review on the stuff that was in the box. So here we go. Enjoy.
Okay, here's the box I got from Cousin Vinny. You know what? The thought just occurred to me. I should do like Bob Ross ASMR unboxing. Ooh. Okay, well anyway, enough goofing around. So, let's see what we got. Oh, by the way, I blanked out all the addresses and stuff like that. Changed the names to protect the innocent. Alright, and what do we have? Ooh, yeah. Number 31, I'm a winner. I think everybody won, right? So here we have, what are these? Cylindrical 4-bay hoppers, Alberta Heritage, and car numbers, and this is from apparently Intermountain Railway Company. I saw these ahead of time. I didn't actually realize that there's a lot of assembly on these, so that's going to present a challenge. I've never dealt with these before. All right. And what's in the bottom here? Ooh, congrats. Number 31, Brian Page. Cool. Thanks, Vinny. Nice card. Vinny Vid Productions. Vinny Built Structures. Cousin Vinny anyhow. Yep. Nice card. Love it. Thank you, Vinny. And thanks for having that awesome giveaway. And all right, I think the next step is we're going to try to put one of these together. Well, here's what we have. This is how these cars come in their little box. And wow, these things look really involved. These are some small parts. Holy smokies. Look at this thing. All right, let's build this thing. Here it is. And yeah, I know I cheated, but there's a reason for that. It took me several hours with my limited model making skills to make this kit. And I have these trucks sitting here. These are the trucks that came with the kit. And I don't know if you can see that, but I'm not sure what type of truck this is. I know the name and I can't remember it right now, but it's a 3-spring truck. And I don't like the couplers that came with it. It would work, but not really well. So I had already some microtrains trucks with the couplers that I like, and they were already pre-built, and I decided to just go ahead and stick them on there. So I know it's not technically correct, but hey, I have these if I should decide to be very technical and rivet counter and all that. Now, another thing I'd like to point out is that this kit has a very finely detailed grate walkway up here, and it's just awesome looking. However, it's made out of metal. So when latching that down to the top of the car and putting the grab irons on, anything having to do with this metal grate up here, I had to use super glue, CA. And unfortunately, you can see there's some places where it actually shows through. You can actually see that glue. Now, I might be able to finesse that a little bit better next time I build one of these. I've got 2 more to go, so plenty of time for practice. It's a nice little model. I mean, it's you can see kind of on the end here, it's got on the brake end, it's got the brake handle. There's pumps and the brake cylinders and all that down here on the flat part. Whoops, there we go. So yeah, very nice looking, but a real pain to put together. But it's a challenge. It's fun.
All right, there you have it. I didn't show putting the Intermountain kit together because it would have taken a really long time, and it would have been a really long, boring video. However, I think I could condense it if there's any interest in seeing it put together. I have 2 more to do, so let me know down in the comments, and I'll see what I can work out. Also, I didn't do a really good job on that. I pointed out the glue that was showing in the metal walkway on top of the car. If anybody has a suggestion on how to better do that, let me know also down in the comments. And that's it. Until next time, everybody take care, and I will see you at the next stop.